Hello, welcome back to our special super simple Christmas card series. Super simple cards that you can make in less than 2 minutes. Some of them take maybe 3 minutes, but if you're making them in bulk, you can get them done super quickly and they're super fun and really nice to give. These are our polar bear cards. Let's take a look and see how they're made. Our polar bear card is so quick and easy. You need some white card, fold it in half, some pink cheeks or pens to be honest, a little blue, and scissors and glue stick. So I'm going to begin by just drawing my polar bear's little features. And I'm trying to think how big I want to make it. I haven't really decided. So I'm going to have my little polar bear's face. And then I'm going to cut him out. It's going to be sort of like a rectangle, but you know, you can do it any way you want. You can have an oval, you can have, a circle. I'm going to go for a triangle. I think I said rectangle, but I meant triangle. Kind of a bit overexcited with my videos. I'm just talking nonsense, aren't I? There we go. Then I want 2 rosy cheeks. Let's just put this to weigh it down because I'll just flop open otherwise. Cut out 2 rosy cheeks. Again, you can just use pens for this. So this is actually even quicker card if you decide to just colouring pencils. And I think they still look super cute, even if you don't use paper like I am. Put that there. Oh, man, it's already so adorable, isn't it? Glue those down. Try not to smudge your black. I always get it on my fingers and then I end up smudging it. So don't do as I do as I say. I'm going to put it quite central. Squish it down. Pink cheek. Pink cheek. This makes me think I should really make a Ted card as well, shouldn't I? Because little Ted would love this. And then a little eye here. And a little eye here. There you go. If you want, actually, let's make this a girl polar bear, just because I feel like it. There you go. Your little polar bear card is finished. Wasn't that quick and easy? So that took less than 2 minutes. So a really easy make. So just to point out, I've got this paper projects book for you. It's really easy crafts, very easy, very similar to this actually. What I really wanted to point out though specifically is, so for example, if you like this super simple polar bear card, what you can do is you can also have a go at my paper gift bags. Once you know how to make the paper gift bag, you can then decorate it like this bear or any of the other simple cards I've made in this special series. Well, look, here we have the polar bear again, and again you can take the features you've been learning about today and see how you can adapt some of the crafts in this book and basically turn these 60 crafts into like thousands depending on how you decide to decorate it. So yes, if you like this cute little polar bear card, if you like quick and easy cards, check out this mini series. I have something like 7 other cards and maybe even 9 in total for you to check out. Super simple Christmas cards to make in bulk in the classroom at home for friends and family in less than 5 minutes. So keep watching, keep making. I'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.